MainWP Updates with Dennis Dornan.
Hello, MainWP managers. Let's go over the much anticipated cache control system that has been added to your dashboard in version 4.2. In this initial release, when you turn on cache control, it automatically clears your website cache whenever a plugin or theme is updated. It includes support for 9 popular cache plugins and Cloudflare. So if you're caching your sites using any of those supported plugins or Cloudflare, your dashboard will automatically reach out to your caching system and clear it for you. Cache control is super easy to get started with too. Let's walk through it now. In your left-hand menu, find Settings and click that. Locate Cache Control and click. You will notice an automatically Purge Cache option and a Cloudflare Cache API option. I want to point out that in this initial release, the two options cannot be used together. So if you have a supported plugin, your dashboard will clear that cache first. If you don't have a supported plugin installed, then your dashboard will use the Cloudflare API instead. Once you have made your selections and/or added your API info to the Cloudflare section, press the Save button. And finally, press the Sync button at the top of your page. This lets your dashboard find any supported plugins and prepare for your next update. That's all there is to it. Your MainWP dashboard will now handle all your cache clearing when you update a plugin or theme. Once again, thank you for choosing MainWP.
To keep up with MainWP, join the MainWP community at meta.mainwp.com or follow us on any of our official social media channels.